Welcome back, everyone, to the thrilling sequel of our slab repair extravaganza. Today, we're tackling the mysterious case of the French drain. Now, I've got to admit, I'm no French drain expert, but here's the scoop. They used thin wall PVC for this drain instead of the regular stuff. Can you believe it? It's like using a spoon to eat soup when you've got a perfectly good ladle sitting right there. If you've got the inside scoop on why they made this choice, let me know in the comments below. Now on to the repair. Once you've laid down your gravel and placed that peculiar PVC, it's time to pour in the cement mix. But before you do that, don't forget to backfill the French drain with more gravel and slap on a protective barrier over the PVC. It's like giving your French drain a little raincoat. And voila, you've got yourself a repaired slab. Oh, and before I forget, if you found this video as entertaining as a French mime, be sure to subscribe, like, and share it with your friends. And now for a French drain fun fact. Did you know that French drains are actually named after a 19th century Massachusetts farmer, not the country? That's right. It's all about good old Henry French. Thanks for tuning in, folks. Stay tuned for more slab repair adventures. And remember, the only thing better than a dry slab is a subscribed viewer. Catch you in the next one.